Right, today we're gonna do a short but straight to the point marketing training on posting on Craigslist. So obviously you all know what Craigslist is, and you can just go straight to the website craigslist.org. Set up an account. This video is not teaching you how to set up an account, but you can set up an account, and once you're done, depending on the area you're at, you select the area you're at, right? Virginia, Richmond, Virginia, for example. Now, one thing you should also do is know the zip code you're at, the area of your zip code. So what cities are in Virginia besides Richmond? You can check that. What other cities? These are cities that Craigslist is going to target for you, if that's where you want to target, right? What cities are in Virginia? So we have Norfolk, we have Williamsburg, we have Arlington. So we're gonna put four different cities for it to target and one zip code from each of this, just one zip code. So Richmond, Arlington, Williamsburg, and Norfolk, right? So let's click here. When you want to post an ad, you select the city you're at. We're using Richmond as an example, right? Click go, and we're gonna select service offered because you're offering the service, not a product. Now here you're gonna click there's several ones you could choose from, but here we're just gonna click small biz ad. All of them, whichever one you click is $5 to mark it on the categories, right? So small biz ad is the one we're gonna click. So I already have which we can send to you by the way, but I already have my ad copy. So all I have to do is go and copy it. Copy my ad, right? And remember, this is just a training. This is just a training, all right? So here's what you can use to capture attention. Get working capital in 24 to 72 hours. You could do 1 to 3 days instead of 24 to 72 hours. It's up to you. Put these asterisks, put them. They're very catchy, they help. And then here on the body of the body of your ad, you can just edit it however you want to. All right. This is you being creative right now. The business owner can use the funds, the MCA funds, to do anything. That's one, to pay unexpected expenses, such as building, buying new equipment or license fee. They could expand their business with added features with the funds. So here are some key, points you could list when you are key bullet points you can list when you are posting the ad. All right. And then at the end of it, you can already see this is very short and straight to the point, right? At the end of it, you put your number here, call or text, bum bum bum, your name, first of all, sorry, Eric Johnson, something, and then put your number. Boom. That's it. And here's where I told you that we need to put the names of the city. Because you're in Virginia, right? So you put Norfolk, you put Richmond, I believe it's Williamsburg, and Arlington is what I remember. Okay. Norfolk, Williamsburg, Arlington, and Richmond are the four ones we're putting. Let's choose a zip code in Richmond, Virginia. Let's choose one zip code. All right. 23173. This is something that 23173. Something that, Craigslist could use to market in that area, right? Oh, by the way, I'm spacing this out because I'm a little OCD about this kind of stuff. Forgive me. But yeah, that's it. You can click to show your number. I don't do that because you get a lot of spam sent to your number. So always use a number that you know that, you know, you're not publicizing your You're not publicizing your personal information, okay? Here, you don't have to put anything at all inside. Just click continue. Now you're gonna choose an image. I already have an image downloaded that you can get from your um, Canva account, okay? We'll copy all three. Whether you can put up to 5, I believe. Okay, you can put up to 24 images. So here we're targeting restaurants, right? So I chose restaurant pictures. If you target whatever you're targeting, choose their pictures, all right? Now let me make it clear that I'm targeting restaurants here. Now there's a character limit on this, but let's see if it allows me. Get working capital for your restaurant. Okay, that's it. Your restaurant, it was already didn't let me put restaurant business per se. So there you go. You see that? The asterisk, get working capital for your restaurant in just 1 to 2 days. Sorry, we gotta correct that. Oh Lord. Okay, there you go. Correct it. So here's what it's gonna look like. Here's gonna be the feature of your image for your images, right? Putting that in. Someone that has a restaurant that comes on Craigslist will see this ad. Contacts, you put your name, add, put your number now. Then you state what the money could do for them, right? And then at the bottom again, you put your name and you put your number. Remember, use a number that you don't mind if it's spammed per se, but mostly use a business number. So, any call that comes in, it's for business. Um, so at the end of it, if I click continue, um, it takes me to where I pay the $5, and the ad will post for 30 days and expire. And then you could do multiple $5 different ads. You could target restaurants in Richmond, restaurants in New York City, things like that. You could target any city you want as long as you have the money. But just $5 for 30 days per ad, which is good, right? You click continue. Here you pay the money. That's it. You pay your money. And yeah, if I click continue now, it will post it. Right now, I'm not interested. I already have some ads running. But that is it for Craigslist ads. And if you have any questions, obviously, guys, you know what to do. Reach out to me, great at monify.com, and we'll talk about it. But I want you to be successful, so you have to have different avenues to run your business. This is a business of yours. Nobody's gonna force you to do anything. We're making money regardless. So if you want to make money, you got to make an effort, right? So yeah, that's the end of our training for Craigslist today. Have yourselves a wonderful evening. Bye-bye.